Hello friends, welcome to my channel Linux eHub. Today we will install Rocky Linux 8.4 and we'll check how it looks like. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified when I will upload new video. Let's move to my computer screen. This is a virtual machine where we will install Rocky Linux 8.4 and I have already attached a ISO image and we will install from the ISO image. So let's start. Now it is asking for options. So we have to select here install Rocky Linux 8. Then press enter. Now it will start installing. Here we have to select the language. Press continue. Here we have to complete all the activities. So first we will create a root password. Give any password according to your choice. Click done. Now choose the installation directory, installation drive. It should be automatic. Then click on done. Begin installation. Started installation process. We have to wait now, and after installation we will check how it is. Installation process completed. Now it is asking to reboot the system, so click on Reboot System. Click on license information. Click I accept. Then click on done. User creation. If you want to create any user, you can create here. Give any name, username. I am giving user and password according to your requirement. Here we can also select make this user administrator. Click on done. Now click on finish configuration. Installation completed. Now it is asking to log in to the server. Already English is the language selected. Click on next. Make the privacy off. Click on next. Click on skip. Start using Rocky Linux. Okay, now desktop came. Click on the terminal. We will check the release version. So command will be cat etc Redhat release. So here release is Rocky Linux release 8.4. We will check OS release also, same thing here it is showing. So if we will go for setting, everything is same like as CentOS and Redhat. You can see here all options are same, exactly same. Check the df-h partition types, same what we have already known in Linux in Red Hat flavor and CentOS flavor, it is looks like same only. So no major changes and nothing changes is you can observe here. So we can say that it is a replica of CentOS or RHEL, and it is very easy to handle for the new users also who are already convenient with Red Hat. So if we'll check with uname-an, it's look like also same as Red Hat. So this is all about the Rocky Linux. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload new videos.